Okay, Amarie, this is just for you, honey. I'm so proud of you learning multiplication. You're going to take third grade by storm. So let's use small value digits just to start with. So I'm going to say 33 times, and then I'm pretty sure what your mom and I talked about is you want to know how to do 2-digit. So I'm going to pick small numbers here. I'm going to say 12. Okay. So I think last week you did it without something in the tens place. So you know that this is first. It's just like when we did addition and subtraction. What do we always say? I start in the ones. So I'm going to do my ones first. So 3 times 2 is 6. There's nothing to carry. If this were a 2-digit number, like if I multiplied that and it was 10 or 12 or 14, I'd carry something up there. I'll do one of those for you. Now, my next move is diagonal. 2 times 3 is 6. So, for this digit, I multiply the ones with this, and then the tens with this, and that goes here. Now, the next one, and I'm going to write it over because I already wrote on there, so I'm going to write it fresh so you can see. Okay, so I did this, then this, and it was 66. Okay, now I'm only focusing on this number in the tens, and I'm going to multiply this way. 1 times 3 is 3. But, Amarie, it's not really a 1 here. What is it? It's 10, right? Because that's in the tens place. So this is 110 times 3. So 10, 10, and 10 is what? 30. So I am not going to put it here. If I did, I would be saying that its value was 3. Its real value, because this is 10. It's the digit 1, but it's in the tens place. So this really is 10 times 3. So it's 30. So I have to put my 3 in the tens place to show 30. And a lot of times people don't put a 0 here, but you can put that there if you need to help your brain remember that it's 30. And then you'd go to this position, 1 times 3, and then I just go into the next column is 3. And again, this isn't really 1 and this isn't really 3. This is 110 and 3 tens. So 10 times 30 is really 300. So that's why that guy's over there in the 300s column. And then you draw a line and you add these up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And you just bring down the 3 if there's nothing else to add to it. So the answer to 33 times 12 is 396. Okay, so that is without carrying anything up here. Did you remember that if you carry something up there at the top, you add it? Let me see if I can create one of those. Let's say we have 44 times, I'm going to put a 5 here, and we'll put a 2 here. We'll increase the value of everything. So where do I go first? You say it before I do it. I start in the ones. I can almost hear you say it. So I start in the ones. What's 4 times 5? 4 fingers, count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Did you say 20? So I can't put 20 here, right? I put my 1's digit there and put my 2 up here. And then I go this way, diagonal. 4 times 5, we just did that, so we know it's 20. And then I add this. I'm not doing any multiplication with this. When you have something here that you've carried, you add it. So this was 20 plus 2 is 22. And notice we moved over here into the hundreds column. Okay, so then I could rewrite it, but I'll just do it here. I go to this number, or I should say digit, this digit 2, and I'm going to multiply this way, diagonal. I multiply by from the 1's times this, and then I'm going to go to the 10's times this. So 2 times 4 is 8, but not really 8. This is 2 10's times 4, 80. Did you say 80? So I have to write 80 in the right position. If I put 8 here, if I just quickly wasn't thinking and I put 8 here, what you're saying is 2 times 4 is 8, but this is really 2 10's times 4 is 80. And then I go here. 2 times 4 is 8. And I'm not going to add that because I only do it once. It went with this when this answer was 20. So I don't add that. I just go 2 times 4 is 8. Draw a line. And these down here get added up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 and 8 is 10. Put down your 0. Carry your 1, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this one took me into the thousands column. Now, in 3rd grade, you'll learn another way. And we kind of did this in addition. There's a way to do this and break it down. So, for example,